Now, in today's session, I will be taking you through, or we'll be taking this journey together through prompt engineering. What it means, how do you do it? Because before we even start working with tools, start testing things out, start different processes, we need to learn how to talk and communicate with AI so that we can get the best output and the best results from it. It's kind of like learning a new language. When you're going to some country abroad, you might be talking in a different language, maybe not English, maybe German, French, Italian, Mandarin, any other language from apart from Hindi, English you might be learning to be able to communicate better with people there. If they are not able to understand your language, they will not be able to do anything you tell them to do or answer any questions that you might have. Similarly, with AI, it's sort of even though it uses English and is able to understand English perfectly, even simple English, the difference between a simple person just writing a random question to the AI and someone who knows prompt engineering and can type in detailed questions where you will get detailed and accurate answers is important. AI, as you know, does not always give the best or the correct answers. So remember, to get better answers or to get more accurate answers or get answers to the exact questions you are asking, prompt engineering is absolutely needed. The one on the left that you're seeing on screen is the one that is very basic. Somebody just typed in random description. The other one is, of course, the right one is someone who knows prompt engineering, someone who knows how to communicate with AI, and look at the difference. Look at how vast the difference is.